Hello everybody. Right, this is just a quick one. We just had our tea and we've got some pudding. Now we've had this pudding before. We haven't had it for a while though because we haven't had it in. But I'm just going to show you what it is. You might never have seen it or tried it. So I'm going to show you what it is and then we'll have a taste test. I don't know what it tastes like because I've had it before. But I'll show you anyway. Aldi's carrot cake. Now we used to have this all the time. It's absolutely gorgeous. And that loves it. But our shop didn't ain't had any for ages. Absolutely ages. And well, it's got new look now. Same great taste, new look. So I don't know whether they took it off and give it a new look or whatever they've done, or adding more ingredients or changed the box. I don't know what they've done. But we haven't had it for a while because I hadn't had it in. But it used to be £1.60 per Aldi. But now today it was £1.85. So it's got a new look and more money. So I just thought I'd show it you. I don't know whether you've ever had it before, but we absolutely love it, we do. I'll show you the box first. So there's all the, whatchamacallit, all the stuff. And it's a cake, innit, so. Carrot cake with cream cheese frosting, sprinkled with walnuts. Gorgeous, we love it, we do. We absolutely love it. I say they haven't had it for ages. So, let's open it up and let's show you. Let me get it on a tray, on a board for you. Get the stuff off. Cardboard. Oh yes. Look at that beauty. So £1.85 now it was. I say it was £1. It was £1.60, £1.65 before. It's gone to like 20p I think or something. Don't sound a lot, but when it's 20p on everything, it mounts up, done it. So let's give it a cut. Just to show you. So we love it, we do. There it is, look. Stunning. I don't think you could make one for that price, could you? Could you make one for that price? I'm not sure. Right, there it is. So I've tasted it before, well, don't know if it's any different now, but it shouldn't be. But really, really nice. They're stunning, honestly. Wow. Absolute wow. I've got a fork there to eat it with, look, but it's just going down my gob. Cream cheese. So I just thought I'd show you that. I don't know whether you've seen them before. But they've gone for about 20p I think. But still don't think you can make one for that, could you? For £1, what was it, say, £1.85 I think it was or something. But they are really, really nice. Get yourself one, try it. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. That was just a quick one, I just thought I'd show you that. Means I was just doing it. So, till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.